Adobe Photoshop, how to remove background. So if you are a new user on Adobe Photoshop and you want to learn on how you want to remove a background off of a photo, there's two ways to do it. So first and foremost is AI. Okay, so you can actually use AI to remove images off of your Adobe. So what you're going to do is you're basically going to go to the object chooser and you are going to choose whatever object you want to choose out of this. So let's say this right here is your object. So let's say I'm going to click on it. Now, what it does is it's going to choose all of this. And once it has chosen all of this, what you're going to do from here on out is you're basically going to go ahead and you can either select and make a mask of it, or if you just want to delete the whole general background behind it, go ahead, copy it, paste it, go ahead, remove that, and look at that. That creates your backgroundless photo. So you can then send out this PNG to anyone that you require. Obviously, you can clean it up, but in the case you don't have AI and you want to use this, without AI, in that case, what you're going to do is first of all, you're going to come here. You can go over to the quick selection tool and you can start selecting this. Now, this is totally again like other than AI. This is not AI, by the way. This is an Adobe tool that you can get generally. So just go ahead, select your boundaries. And once you have selected your boundaries, simply go ahead, copy paste. That creates your layer. Remove that, and there is your backgroundless photo. So that is how you can remove any background on Photoshop. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.